So in the dry site, water acts as a lubricant and maximum dry and lubricant and also help in the closure packing of the soil grain. And in wet side, water start to occupy the space of soil grain and hinders in the closure packing of the grains. So application of compaction test is compaction of a soil increase their density, shear strength, bearing capacity, but it reduces their void ratio, porosity, permeability, and settlement, that is compressibility. So the result of this test are useful in the stability of field problem like earthen dam, embankment, road, and airfield. In such construction, the soil are compacted and the moisture content at which the soil are compacted in moisture content at which the soil are compacted in the field is controlled by the value of optimum moisture content that determined by laboratory by compaction Proctor compaction test, and the compaction energy that to be applied on the soil is to be given by field compaction energy also calculated and also controlled by maximum dry density determined in the laboratory. In other words, we can say the laboratory compaction specification for field compaction test. Material used for compaction is cylindrical mold of capacity 1000 cc, has internal dia 100 mm and effective height is 127.3 mm. Okay, and also one type of cylinder mold we use, that is a specific capacity 20 to 150 cc, internal dia 150 mm and effective height is 127.3 mm. And second equipment is used, that is rammer. Rammer for light compaction has face diameter 50 mm. Mass of rammer is 2.6 kg and free fall drop height is 310 mm. And also for heavy compaction, rammer used of face diameter 50 mm. Mass of heavy rammer is 4.89 kg and free fall height is 450 mm. Okay, and next equipment is mold accessories, that is detachable base plate, removable collar, IS sieve of 20 mm, 4.75 mm in general, and also balance for weight measurement process and capacity of 10 kg and sensitivity of balance is 1 gram. Balance also for heavy compaction use that have capacity is 200 kg, sensitivity is 0.01 gram. Next equipment used is drying oven that have temperature constant at 100 degrees centigrade and 110 centigrade. Next equipment is desiccator. Next is the drying crucible. Next is the graduated jar for weight of water measurement. Next is the straight edge. Next is the large mixing pan for mixing of soil sample. Next equipment is the spatula, and last equipment used is scopes. So what is procedure of a standard Proctor compaction test? So first step is to take about 20 kg soil for 100 cc mold, for 1000 cc mold, or 45 kg soil sample for heavy compaction that have cylinder mold capacity is 2250 cc. Mold of air dried and mixed soil used, and this soil is sieved before the filled in mold and sieved by 20 mm IS 20 mm sieve and IS 4.75 mm sieve. Then calculate the percentage retained on 20 mm dia sieve and also percentage retained on 4.75 mm sieve and passing from 4.75 mm sieve and do not use the soil retained on 20 mm sieve. Next step is to use a mold of 10 centimeter dia if percentage retained on 4.75 mm sieve is less than 20% or use a mold of 15 centimeter dia if percentage retained on 4.75 mm sieve is more than 20%. Mix the soil mm sieve and pass sieve thoroughly in the proportion obtained in step 3. Okay. Next step is to take about 2.5 kg of soil for 1000 cc mold or take about 2.8 kg or the soil of 1000 cc mold or we can say for 4.5 kg for heavy compaction test and water and add the water and it bring its moisture or optimum moisture content about 4% in coarse grain soil and 8% in fine grain soil. Clean, dry and grease lightly the mold for heavy compaction as well as light compaction. Also grease and clean the base plate of mold. Wet the mold with the base plate and fit the collar and place the mold on a solid base. Next process is to fill the soil sample in the mold for light compaction in equal 3-layer wet soil. Okay, and rammer mass is used 2.6 kg and free fall is 310 mm with 25 number of evenly distributed blow of rammer is used in each layer of 10 centimeter diameter and 56 blows for 15 centimeter dia mold is used for heavy compaction. And after compacted by rammer, remove the collar and rim of the soil, flush the top of the mold. In removing the collar and rotate it to break the bond between it and the soil before lifting it off the mold. Clean the outside of the mold and also base plate of the mold. Wet the mold with the soil and base plate and also wet the dry crucible with sample and put the samples and put in dry oven condition of temperature 105 to 110 degree centigrade for 24 hours. Repeat the above procedure with 7, 10, 13, 16, 19 and 22% of water content on coarse grain fresh soil sample and also for fine grain soil sample use the percentage of water content that is 11%, 14%, 17%, 20%, 23% and 26%. Okay, and next day first wet the crucible with dry soil sample and then empty crucible. Okay, and taking precaution during the Proctor compaction test is first precaution should be taken that is adequate period is allowed for mixing the water with soil before compaction and the blow should be uniformly distributed over the surface of each layer. Each layer of compacted soil is scored with a spatula before placing the soil for the succeeding layer and also one more precaution is considered, that is the amount of soil used to be just sufficient to fill the mold. That is the last layer. The surface of the soil should be slightly 5 above the top of the rim of the mold, and mold should be placed on the solid foundation during the compaction. So this is the procedure of the Proctor compaction test and also precaution considered for this is the mold used in Proctor compaction test of size 1000 cc for light compaction and 2250 cc for heavy compaction, and this is the rammer used for light compaction as well as heavy compaction.